Good afternoon, everyone. At least it's afternoon here in Southeast Asia. That's in Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. Just gone a little bit past noon now. Nearly 12:30, 12:25. I hope you're having a good day wherever you are in the world. And thanks for joining in. Don't forget to click that like button. And just remember that these videos that I do are for informational purposes only, education. And this is not financial advice. I'm not suggesting or recommending that you take the same trade. You can if you want to, but it's up to you to manage your own account, to use good risk management. So let's go over and have a look at the chart for today and see what's coming up. And we're looking at gold. This is XAU, USD, gold spot, CFD on the 10-minute time frame. And I use the trend line strategy on the 10-minute chart. I have my upward trend line here. Top-down analysis goes back to the monthly chart, down to the 10-minute chart, and then the downward trend line here. So if it breaks below and closes below this upward trend line, then I will go short. If it breaks above and closes above the downward trend line, I will go long. Very simple strategy, easy to follow, very reliable, works very well. Of course, nothing works 100% of the time. Most strategies work some of the time, but no strategy works all of the time. Hey, Alex, how are you today? So here we are on our Tokyo lunch run. This grayed out box is the Asian session. Just after this gray box, we'll start the London session in about 1.5 hours from now. But right now we're concerned with the Tokyo lunch run. This is the closing session, the last couple of hours of the Tokyo session. And we had a really unusual day today. We don't usually see something like this. I'm doing very good. Thank you, Alex, for asking. But a very unusual day. Tokyo opened right here and started pushing the price down. And then they kept pushing it down. And then Shanghai opened here on this candle. And boy, that was a huge drop. That was about $40. And that's a 10-minute candle, but that drop happened in about 2 minutes. It just sank like a brick. And then finally started to come back up, came down again. And now this is really unusual here. We don't usually get this kind of trading. And it started to make a big move back up, back to our previous day low from yesterday, which was $39.99, or you could say 4,000. And after coming back up to that previous day low, then we've seen some continuing downward movement. So let me just check the 4-hour chart, and we have turned bearish now on the 4-hour chart. H4 is bearish, D1, the day chart is bearish, so we are fully bearish. So we should be seeing lower prices. We have a minor support level here at 39.70, and then our support level on the indicator is 39.46. That's our next support level. We're just now breaking below 39.80. That's the indicator I use on Tradingview. Shows you the support, resistance, the pivot point is way up here. So So if we start down again, we should get down to about 39.46, our next support level. Where it's already been there today. It actually came a little bit below that and then came back up. So let's just see what's happening. Now we have our first candle here. Hey, Raj, welcome. And we got our first 10-minute candle, and we are bearish. That looks to be our bias is bearish. The New York session was bearish. It was kind of a crazy New York session last night, actually. I was up pretty late, but got some good trades in. And are we, yeah, coming down here to our upward trend line. Let's see what it's going to do. It's just broken below the support level there at 39.80. I would expect that it would continue down, but of course anything can happen. I really was surprised to see this big move back up to the previous day low. Usually this couple of hours here is very quiet, but it is what it is. And we have a few people watching today, not showing up. Oh, only the three of us. Okay. If you are tuning in late or you're watching the replay, don't forget that you can reach out to me on Telegram. My ID is at RickRayFX. And if you want to be in the Telegram chat group with traders, just let me know and I'll add you to the group. First candle on our Tokyo lunch run is bearish so far. Well, let's see how this is going to play out. Yesterday, I didn't get anything during the Tokyo lunch run. It was a nothing burger. And I don't remember, I don't think I ever looked at the London session, but I had some good trades in the New York session. And I did get up today for the Shanghai opening. I got up for this one today, guys. But this candle here, this $40, $50 drop, that happened. It was like 2 minutes. It just went boom, 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 boom. So I'm not going to chase the candle. And the trend line was not even didn't show to be a trade setup. A very unusual move right here on the the Shanghai opening. Very unusual. Such a big move. So I got up to watch that, but didn't get a trade. Hey, there's Ed. Oh, he removed his message. Thanks for tuning in, Guy. Good to see you here. Don't forget to click that like button, everybody that's watching. And we have another 5 minutes on this candle here. So really not really a big kickoff. But Tokyo has been quite busy today. All of this bearish movement, and then they're pushing it back up as well. But you never know what it will do. You might just start to go and then go like a rocket. Anything can happen. Have in any of you guys have you seen that movie yet that I've been talking about? Disclosure Day. It's still showing here in Bangkok. I went to see it again. I've seen it twice now. It's really just an excellent movie. Yeah, if you want to get up that early, but that's just a little bit too early for me, Alex. The Tokyo opening. For me, that would mean getting up at about 6 a.m. and I usually go to bed at 2 a.m. So that would just be Tokyo session just too early. You'd have to get up about 4:30, I think, 4:30 a.m. to catch that Tokyo opening. Well, another 2.5 minutes on this candle. This first candle is a nothing burger. You haven't watched it yet, Alex. Well, you better catch that because it's been out for a couple of weeks. It's not going to be showing forever. It's probably going to get best movie of 2026, in those awards that they give out at the end of the year. It's just an excellent movie. And then Sunday night, I saw the Death of Robin Hood. That wasn't a very good movie. It was okay. So our first candle pushing back up. How about that? And that is one of our support levels there. Resistance support at 39.80. Namaste, Sharad. How are you today? Good to see you here. Keep in touch with the charts and the trading. I know you're not trading lately, but it's good. You kind of keep your hands in, stay aware of what's going on. These days we're trading around the 4,000 zone, but it looks like we might break below 4,000 and keep going. Our low today was 39.47. We have been lower than that, but it's kind of hanging around that 4,000 number, staying close to it, not getting too far away. Let me check the daily chart and see. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've been below that. Our major level here is 39.98. Yeah, before we broke below that was back in October of last year. So this where we are now is a very strong support level. It was October of last year that we were below that level. So very serious level where we are now. Key level around this zone. 4,000. So it's been above 4,000 since October of last year. Well, Alex, you didn't see Mortal Kombat. That was a good one if you like that sort of thing. But I don't think it's showing anymore. Yeah, but you gotta have a balance of work and life, and that's why I like to go to the movies, just to get away from the charts and relax and see a big screen, see other people, get outdoors. Gotta get away from the charts. Yeah, that's correct. The opening sessions are the best time, and the closing sessions can be good, especially the New York closing session. And usually this Tokyo closing session can be good. This hour or so that we've got here can be good. The Tokyo lunch run. Tokyo doesn't actually close until 2 hours after London opens. So it's the afternoon session for Tokyo. Of course, the Asia session, the Shanghai opening, that's always good. The London Open, excuse me, sometimes the London Open is good, sometimes it's not. The New York Open is always good. But yeah, those top of the hour and the opening sessions, they're always the best time to be there. So you can hang around for an hour, hour and a half, and then go do something else. Well, I don't know. I don't think they're going to push it up. It's just staying around this 39.80 zone right now, which that was resistance here. Kind of slowed down right there. Then it came back, and that's support now. Now we're just stuck on this 39.80 level. It looks like it's doing the same thing it did yesterday. Nothing. Really unusual, eh, guys? Most of the time we can get a good trade after that first candle. But, the market changes. It's never the same every day. Just because it did it, yesterday doesn't mean it will do it today. It doesn't work like that. The market just moves. Getting another little candle here. Might not be much volume right now. Let me go and look at the 5-minute chart. I like to look at that one. Yeah, we are below. We are still, the bias is still bearish on both the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Should be going down now. Should be, would be, could be, but we're not. Do any of you guys have a trade open? Oh, we got a few more people watching. If you're new to the channel and you haven't been here before, let me know where you're watching from. That's always interesting. Yeah, I'm glad you like that 8 EMA. I have it on all my charts for the last, I don't know, 7 or 8 years. It's really good on the 5-minute chart too, Alex. That's where I like it the best. And you combine that with the doji, you get a doji, which oftentimes indicates reversal, and then you get a break of the 8 EMA. That's a good place to take a trade. I have a video on a channel about call it the T line strategy. T being for trigger, T for trigger, T line strategy. using the 8 EMA, the doji candle, and the stochastic. Oh, okay. You watched that one. Good. Oh, Raj watched it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. You've been holding a runner on Nasdaq. Okay. I look at Nasdaq a little bit, but we got one guy in our Telegram group. You know, you guys are in there, and he trades Nasdaq every day in the New York Open and does pretty well with it. I should get my act together and start following that more closely. Looks like it could be a good one. It started up yesterday. I noticed in the New York session, and then it crashed. I don't know what what the closing session was. Maybe it went back up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll start paying a little bit more attention to it. I know the guy in our Telegram group, he loves it. I mean, he does really well with it too. I think he had a couple of losses yesterday, but generally he does pretty well with it. I think it was kind of a fake out on the New York Open. Looked like it was going to go up really strong, and then all of a sudden turned around and fell down, dropped really hard, if I remember correctly. I don't know if we can see it on this chart. Let me try. Oh, there's the Nasdaq. Oh, wow. This is the 920 candle. This is the 820. Okay, the Shanghai Open, they pushed it down. Then boom, 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 went up, came down a little bit. Oh, good run. Is it like this every day during the Asian session? Nasdaq, I didn't know it was moved that much. And yeah, this is the New York session here last night, and I believe the guy in our group he probably went long, sank really hard, and then came back up. Uh, and what is oil doing? Oil is not doing much, staying around 70, 72. Not much movement like we used to see before. Okay, now we're getting some downward movement, a little bit, not much. Oh, 700 points. Cool. As you guys know, you follow me, my trading style is 111. One asset, one time frame, one strategy. But there's nothing wrong with adding, at least one more as I, develop a relationship with that and start to learn it and get a good feel for it. And NASDAQ is probably the one to choose. I have talked about that for a long time, I know, but I haven't added another one to my portfolio yet. I tell you what, I'll hold myself accountable here, and I will start to dive deeper into Nasdaq, and then we can start sharing that in the live sessions. Yeah, that'd be another good one to start talking about besides gold. Uh, Oil is going up. What, right now? It's still on $70. I mean, it goes from 68 to 70. That's not like the big moves we were seeing before. And yeah, there's still tension over there in the Middle East, and probably going to be for some time, I reckon. I don't think they're even close to any kind of a peace deal. So now this candle just started. So I got another 8.5 minutes on that one. And I would expect that we're going to probably see lower prices. I'm going to see if I've got, check my MT5, see if I've got it ready. Okay, that's all good. Okay, yeah. So I'm ready to pull the trigger, but need to wait for this candle to close below the trend line. Oh, you're looking at your crystal ball, are you, Alex? Projecting, forecasting the price of oil. You guys don't forget to check forexfactory.com. We have the non-farm payrolls on Friday, and it was a big mover and shaker. Let me just open that up and see for exactly what we've got on Friday. The non-farm payrolls. Oh, it's gone now. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's on Thursday this week. Oh, that's really weird. Okay. Oh, probably because maybe Friday is a bank holiday in the U.S. I don't know. I'll have to check. But Thursday is the non-farm employment change, and the previous was 172K, and the forecast is 110K. So there's a big difference between the forecast, between the previous month and the forecast. Big difference. So we'll just have to see how the numbers come in. And unemployment rate 4.3%. It's expected to be the same. It's on Thursday, 1 hour before Wall Street opens. Yeah, of course, July 4th is a U.S. holiday, but I'm just wondering if they made July 4th is on Saturday. So I wonder if July 3rd is a Friday. I wonder if they've made that into a long weekend and going to close the uh, New York Stock Exchange. I just wonder. I'll have to check. Yeah, I know when July 4th is, Raj. It's my birthday. That's how I'm so sure about that one. Yeah, oh wow. Everybody that I know can always remember my birthday. So another 5 minutes on this candle. Yeah, this is a nothing. Tokyo lunch run is just nothing today. Same as yesterday. Oh, well. 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 Well, how about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is almost an hour that it stayed right on this level here, 39.80, for almost an hour. Ah, okay, I hear you, Raj. Hmm. What's it gonna do? Boy, just no momentum at all. I'll watch this for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna shut it down. Because if this stays right here, then I need to wait for the next candle to close below the trend line. Or maybe Tokyo came back. Maybe they haven't come back from lunch yet. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and take off. It's lunchtime for me. I'll be looking at the chart though. If the next candle, if that first candle closes below the trend line, I will go short. I'll put my stop loss up here at 39.93, and I'll let you know in Telegram if I take that trade. It looks like it might go another 4 seconds on that one, but I would wait till that candle closes below the trend line. Oh, what's this going on here? Sometimes the first minute or two is just a fake out, and then it comes back down. But we'll see. Their ramen is still holding in bowls. There you go. Hey, ramen sounds like a good idea for lunch. Okay, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you very much for being here. Don't forget to click that like button. I hope you have a good day. And anything you take a trade, let me know. Post it in the Telegram group, and I'll let you know if I take a short trade here. Okay, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Enjoy your dinner, Raj.